Does your desk look like this? Monitor stands in the way, causing problems whenever you're trying to move your mouse around in a video game. Yeah, me too, and half the time I'd be hitting my hands like this. So I decided to change that. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to go over the Huanuo full motion desk monitor mount. It's designed to clip on your desk and get rid of the use for monitor stands. It holds 2 monitors at a time and makes it easier for you to have more space on your desk. So as you can see, this is the box it comes in. Everything is inside that you would need, and I would recommend actually reading the directions for this one. It took some time, but I needed the instructions to actually understand what I was doing. So first you have to mount the back end on the bottom piece of the stand so that it can clamp to the desk. Now, if you're screwing it into the desk, you can bypass this step, but if you're not like I am, then you're going to need this step. So we're just going to quickly screw everything in here. This is what it looks like when the monitors aren't on the stands on the desk. At the bottom here is under the desk. This is where you're able to clamp everything together. Everyone's desk's different, so just be wary while you're screwing it in. My desk has a bar that gets in the way of me clamping it on there directly, so I had to lower the setting for the clamp and put some wood in between it so that it would clamp securely without any problems. Halfway into this video, I realized my second monitor wasn't actually compatible with this monitor stand. Now, it was old and I was already having problems with it, so for me, it was just an opportunity to swap out and get the same version of the same monitor. So I had 2 of the same and could mount it easily. So it took me about a couple days to get this, but once it came in, I was ready to go. I spent at least an hour trying to have the monitor stand clamped on the desk and hook up the monitors to that. I don't recommend it. It's not going to work. In my experience, the best way to do it is by placing both monitors down and screwing them on the back with the stand detached. So that's what I'm doing here. I put some spacers so that the mount wasn't directly touching the plastic and it didn't break anything. And since this was new, that was the satisfying peel of the plastic. Now, you're gonna need someone to help you out with this if you can. If not, then you're just gonna have to work on balancing the monitors so that they don't fall over. You can see here, I put a box in front of the monitor stand in case. If you're able to balance it like I did, you're fine. And now your monitors are completely secured out of the way on the desk without any problems. So now you can put everything to your liking. One thing I recommend is loosening up the monitor arms so that it's easier for you to adjust the height and everything about where you want the monitors to sit. They come out of the box, they're pretty springy and a little bit stiff. So that's one thing I would do as soon as you get the chance. After you're done with that, you're good to go. Basically put back all of your keyboard, your mouse, everything like that, and plug all the monitors in, and you're all set. So this is what it looks like at the end result. I have the keyboard with the mouse set up there. Now you have a lot more space on your desk to use and you're not worried at all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick video for you guys. It'll be linked down below. It's like $60. It's a good little upgrade and I noticed a difference. The next step would be to get some wireless mice and keyboards to get all the wires out of the way, but that'll be in a later video. So like I said, thank you all so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one and peace.